Hi there, welcome to my trades today, and today I've got a cool episode. I'm going to be reviewing binary options, right? So normally we trade forex, we trade indices, we trade crypto, but today is a different ball game. It's a bit fast, it's a bit risky, and it pays a lot as well, and it's binary options. So I'm going to be showing you guys how I flip 100 to a 5,000 in just a few trades in 2 days or 3 days as well, depending on your mood, right? So anyway, kicking it off today, as you can see, the platform is a bit different from our normal platform here. So I still analyze on my MT4, and then I come take my trades on my binary broker. So I don't know which country you might be in, but here we can trade binary options. So getting into it, as you can see here, I started off with a $90 trade, the 90 trade, all the way up to about over 6 grand, and it was just wins all the way. And if I had to tell you in my sleep, it's the same thing over and over and over again that I'm always saying on my videos: just catch divergence or go with the trade. So the beauty with binary options is that they are time based, they are not pip based like on forex or on indices or whatsoever, right? So here you can set a trade, right, and then say that it's going to expire probably in, say, 30 minutes or 15 minutes or 20 minutes, and price should just close below your strike rate, right? Price should always close below or above your strike rate, depending whether you're calling or putting, and instantly you can get a minimum of 70%. So my trades are usually 15 minutes, and boy, they go good most of the times, right? Attention to detail is required here, so that's another thing as well. But anyway, kicking it off with these results that you guys are seeing on the screen here. As you can see, I started off with a 90 buck, going all the way without losing any of these trades. All the way I ended up taking 2,900 per trade, and it was getting 2.5 back, which made it up to 6k, right? So I've got a couple of screenshots as well with me of some of the trades that I managed to take in this journey, and then I'm going to be sharing them with you now. Starting off with okay, there's this one here, right? So what are we always talking about, guys? We're talking about divergence, we're talking about market sentiment going negative, we're talking about jumping in the trend, right? So check this out. I've got divergence 1 2 here, 1 2, market sentiment goes negative, and now I'm looking to jump in the trade right there. It's time based, it goes down, I'm at 67%, not bad. Second trade, still the same thing again, right? I got divergence on 1 and 2, market sentiment goes negative, right? I'm looking for a good entry there, right there, right? Mark 1 2, same thing, I go down, I'm at 69%, not bad at all, right? So going on again now, I've got let me just go back quickly. Okay, good. I've got this one. What's going on? In a divergence, right? Divergence, right? Up, down. I know I'm looking for a good sell opportunity here. I'm at 87%. Going down with it, right? And then on the next one, same thing again. What are we looking for? Divergence happens. Now market sentiment goes negative. We're looking to go with the trend, right? This was the 2.9 trade, probably this one, Euro GBP, exactly this one. This is the Euro GBP trade, Euro GBP, this was the trade here. See, easy as that. So we're going with the trend, right? We're going with the trend, nothing has changed, right? Euro GBP, this was now this trade, this Euro GBP 9:15 in the morning. What is happening? We've got 1 2 3 there. Look here, 1 2 3, we're diverging. So what's happening? We're looking to go with the trend, right? And then we wait for a stop and high, and then right in there we go in. Simple as that. So this is binary options, guys. Same thing here happens. Okay, good. So now I had mentioned attention to detail, right? So price will always close on your strike. All right. So for example, look at this trade, right? Just a simple delay in execution, right? I was supposed to get this trade just here, right, on this first red candle, right? And then it played all along, and then it came to close exactly here on the white line. So you can see if I had got my entry right there after the first reversal candle, I would have actually won my trade, right? But attention to detail, right? So always enter at the end of the candle, whether it's the 1 hour chart, 4 hour chart, never enter in the middle of the candle, right? And then keep it going like that, right? So attention to detail is everything. But regardless of this, all the other trades we kept on winning, as you can see here, guys, as well. 1 2 divergence there, 1 2 divergence. Market sentiment goes negative. We're looking to jump in bed with this, right? Another example again, USD JPY. This was the 10th now, so 680. I think it was this one. Where is this one? USD JPY on the 10th, right? What happened? 1 2 1 2. Market sentiment goes negative. Market sentiment goes negative. It closes lower, right? And then this goes on forever and ever and ever, and they come in all the time, right? So consistency is the only currency that matters in this business when it comes to binary options as well. So you don't necessarily have to risk as much as I did. You can even go slow, but as long as you have more greens, as long as you have more wins, then you can do it. So this is how I make 5,000 from just 100 in just 2 to 3 days, right? I time my trades, take 3, take 4 a day, and then I'm out. So binary options is for someone who's got time to sit whole day and check them out. Whilst I also love forex, whereby I've got freedom to move around. I can just execute once and go about, do my business, and then come back later on to see if I'm in the money or not. So I'll be back later on. Also reviewing some forex trades. We've got some juicy trades that managed to come by. We had some gold that we managed to pick up. We've got some rand action that we're in, and then we also have some GBP ZAR that we're in as well. So I'll be back later on, and then thank you for watching. Watch all of my videos, get the concept, diverge, and then go with the trend. You'll get more winners than losers, right? Consistency is the only currency that counts. And thank you for watching. Have an awesome day.